If you want to promote products on Stakecut, go to your Chrome browser and search for Stakecut. This is an affiliate program that you can make money from anywhere in the world. So click sign up to register with this affiliate program. Enter your first name, last name, email, password, and then sign up. Click sign up with email. After that, you will be given a code to verify your account. After doing that, come and sign in and click on Marketplace. This is where you will get products to promote. As a beginner, look for something affordable that you can promote, something between $5 to $15, and in which you can earn a commission of 50%. So let's check out. So we have this video content workshop. It goes for $10 and it's 50% commission, meaning you learn $5 when you promote this product. Click on promote. So here you will get your referral link, your affiliate link. This is it. You will copy this and share with your audience. But first, let's see the product page. So this is the product page for this course on how to create content that will go viral online. So let's see. It has a video. This is a nice one. And let's see if it has a testimonial. So it has some testimonials. So this is a nice product you can promote right now. So after getting your referral link, you will have to know how to promote it. So there are some materials that comes with this product. Click on JV page. Yes. Then join this Telegram group. This group is where you will get the materials that you can use to promote your product, this product. You'll get all the materials to promote this product. Come back, copy this link, and then share it on your social media platform. So what you need to do is have a Facebook page where you share content on creating content online and share with people this link. You can also share it on WhatsApp. The video, there is a video. When you join the Telegram group channel, you will get a video on testimonials, and that is what you will share on your WhatsApp and place the link there. WhatsApp these days allows you to share the link. So when someone purchases it, you will earn a commission. You can also join Facebook groups to promote this product. Join Facebook groups and share it. You can also use paid advertisement to make money by promoting this product. So this is not the only product you can promote. We have other products here. So if you have done affiliate marketing for a while and you have been able to make more sales, I'll prefer there's this course here about ultimate marketing program. It goes for $50 and you learn 50% commission. So that means you learn $25. Let's see this product. Click on promote and then see the product page. So the best product is that which you can easily promote. One, it should have a testimonial and it should also have a video. So this is it now. You see this product page is so nice. Yeah, let's check if it has some testimonial. Wow, this is an amazing product you can easily promote. All this information will be easier for you to convince someone to purchase. You can see people are making money with affiliate marketing. So This is the course I'm promoting right now, and if you want to learn anything about affiliate marketing, you have never done it before, this is the best course I'll recommend to you. So all you need to do is create content on TikTok and then share your affiliate link on the bio and ask people to check out the course at the end of every video you make. So that's how you can promote products on Stakecut. If you learn something, subscribe to this channel and you can also share this video.